Can I still download new apps on my old Apple TV?
Welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we'll answer the question, can I still download new apps on my old Apple TV? Let's dive right in.
Which Apple TV model do you have?
First, it's essential to determine which Apple TV model you have. There are 4 generations of Apple TVs. 1. Apple TV First Generation 2007-2. Apple TV Second Generation 2010-3. Apple TV Third Generation 2012-4. Apple TV Fourth Generation 2015, and later models Apple TV Fourth Generation and later models, also known as Apple TV HD and Apple TV 4K, have an app store that allows you to download new apps.
Can you download apps on Apple TV First, Second, and Third Generation?
Unfortunately, if you own an Apple TV First, Second, or Third Generation, you cannot download new apps. These models come with pre-installed apps that get updated occasionally, but there is no app store available.
How to download apps on Apple TV Fourth Generation and later models?
If you have an Apple TV Fourth Generation or later model, follow these steps to download new apps. 1. Turn on your Apple TV and navigate to the App Store. 2. Use the Siri remote to search for your desired app or browse through categories. 3. Select the app you want to download and click on Get or the app's price, if it's a paid app. 4. You may be asked to enter your Apple ID and password. 5. Once the app is downloaded, it will appear on your Apple TV's home screen. So, to answer the question, can I still download new apps on my old Apple TV? It depends on your Apple TV model. If you have an Apple TV Fourth Generation or later model, you can download new apps from the App Store. However, if you have an Apple TV First, Second, or Third Generation, you cannot download new apps, as these models do not have an App Store. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips.